Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Last weekend we went back to Central Illinois Dragway where we had a title to defend. Last summer we were able to win Joseph Lay's Central Illinois Streetcar Shootout $4,000 real street class. Will we be able to back up our victory? Stay tuned and let's see. One thing's for sure, we weren't coming to take it easy on anybody. First qualifying pass went quite well, considering the fact that it was pretty hot outside and we were anticipating the track might not be as good as we thought. We were able to send the car straight down. It made a relatively quick pass, and we knew that we had a great starting point to work on for the rest of the weekend. I have to give a shout out to Joe DeVito with DeVito Racing Compound. Here you can see one of his big hats that were able to keep us out of the sun throughout most of the weekend. Alan with Mr. Fabulous Photography was on site and he was catching all the action shots throughout the entire event. I had been discussing the need to get a parachute picture and had worked with Alan, and we were planning on getting that taken care of during the second qualifier. After the first qualifier, we went to the Central Illinois Streetcar Shootout booth and drew for the elimination ladder. The bracket is broken into two separate entries between the cars that participated in the cruise from Cordova to Central Illinois Dragway and then the cars that did not. It would race down to the remaining one car in each bracket, and then those would race off in the finals. About a month back, I had bought one of these GoPro Max 360 cameras and had gone through just a brief tutorial to learn how to set it up. The one thing that I didn't realize is every time that I've fired up the camera, it's resorted back to the default, so it's on just a normal view rather than the 360 view. So here I got that great look at the wall when I was in the right lane. I'll have to chalk that one up as a rookie mistake, and hopefully one day I'll be able to look back at it and just laugh. But let's gain a little bit of momentum here. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see what we can do to continue in learning and providing better content in the future. Just wanted to say sorry, Alan, for not being able to get that parachute picture. I ended up knocking the tires off and didn't want to put any more wear and tear, seeing that I had already aborted and wasted the pass. We'll definitely be looking to coordinate that at one of the upcoming events and eventually get a photo for that. A little shout out to Adam at Streetcar Injection. If you're looking to get your injectors maintained or cleaned, feel free to send him a message here on his Facebook page.
keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer. But now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
Man, you are one pathetic loser. No offense.
Congrats to Carter Pelletier for putting the whooping on me. I had made a very minor adjustment in the tune, and it obviously was too much. I had added 1 pound on the dome on the launch and shortened the ramp 0.2 of a second, and I didn't think that it would have any kind of results just like that. Carter also had an issue on the pass where his turbo ended up locking up down track and he was unable to continue for the event. I also wanted to say congratulations to Eric Fox for taking down the event. Just for the few laps that you've got on the new fresh race car, you're definitely making strides in the right direction, and you're going to be contender wherever you go. This weekend we'll be back out again at Grove Creek Raceway for the Cash at the Creek Series event. The first race was rained out in June, so this will actually be the first race of the year up there here this Saturday. Any of you local folks that are looking to catch one of my races, this is probably the most convenient and easiest there. It's always a good time and a good crowd at the event. And it makes for some pretty good racing up there. I believe the start time is typically late afternoon, somewhere between 4 and 5 o'clock for a test hit, and then going right into eliminations. We will see you next week with an update, and please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.